All right, I'm in Augusta. This is the train heading out to, leaving Augusta, going to Greenwood, y'all. He's honking at us. He's got an approach signal. Approach signal on that switch is going to change out here. MMAX cars. Looks like gravel gone. Well, that light didn't change. That's interesting. This might not be a train going to Greenwood. I'm misidentified this train. I think he's going up across the street over there. There's a, looks like a rock quarry or something over there. He's probably got to get uncoupled, run around the train, and then back that up in that those tracks over there. There's a track that goes away from it and turns to the right. And I looked it up on Google Maps, and it has a rock quarry over there. So I don't know what he stopped for here, but I assume he's going up in there. All right, if I see something, I'm going to crank it back up. Thank y'all. All right, y'all, he's rolling again. I'm in beautiful Augusta, Georgia. And I don't know who the MMAX is. I don't know why the approach signal didn't clear up. There's still approach. And he's going on straight, so I don't know who he is or what he's doing. It's kind of dark, but I got a lot of street lights around here that's helping out. Of course, my camera's got a good adjustment on it where it's all looking good. MMAX, I don't know who that is. I assume all that's brake equipment on that end. I don't know what that is. Door A, B, and C. I don't know how you open these doors, y'all. Closed doors, doors A, B, C, all doors closed. I guess you mash them buttons and they'll open up the doors on there. I don't know. Well, he's done pulled up and stopped again. He's rolling back now. He done caught it. I guess he put the brakes on. I heard them tightening down. He might be going up and crossing over on the switch up there. I think there's a switch. I can't tell what they're doing right now, whether we crossed over or not. All right, that way is the town of Agusta. Savannah River's over there, probably about half a mile away to my left of the train here, or the far side of the train. I'll say that's the bottom end of the train right there. EOT flashing at us. Let's see if he's going over a crossover, getting on the other track. I don't know. But yeah, he's going across the highway. He is going over there. Up over in that direction, there's a rock quarry or something, and that's where he's headed to. You see the lights flashing across the highway? He's got traffic stopped down there. Yeah, he's crossing over from the track near me to the far track, and then he's making the right turn and going across the highway down there. So this is not a train going back home. If he went straight, he would have been going towards Greenwood. Not really showing much, is it? All that bright lights kind of put the train hiding it. But anyway, you can tell he's crossing the road over there. All right, I'm going to shut it off because you can't really see much more. All right, thank y'all. God bless y'all. Hope you enjoyed it.